Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to make an anti-aging facial moisturizer. It's a moisturizer that I personally like to use on my skin. It contains rice, which help to tighten and firm the skin. It also contains aloe vera gel, which help to lighten, brighten and clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now if you're looking for reducing wrinkles on the forehead, you're looking for getting rid of your sagging jawline and your neckline, you can try this recipe. So let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this out.
So for this recipe, my first ingredient is going to be rice. Rice is rich in antioxidants, help to tighten and firm the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. What I'm going to do with the rice, I am going to make some rice water. And I like to set this overnight. So I'm going to take about a half a cup of raw white rice. This recipe, you can use black rice or purple rice. And then I'm going to add some liquid to this. I'm going to add some hot water to the rice. This is going to help to ferment the rice. So once I pour about a cup of hot water over the rice, then I am going to give it a stir. After stirring, I'm going to cover and I'm going to set aside, as I said, preferably overnight so that it can ferment. Make sure to make the rice a day ahead. So first I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel and I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. Place the aloe vera gel in a small bowl. And what I like to do, I like to warm the gel up. Aloe vera helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. Aloe vera also helps to cool the skin. It's good for sun damaged skin, and it is also great for getting rid of eczema on the skin. So I'm going to continue to just mix the aloe vera gel, totally blending it out. So once this is done, I'm going to reach for some coffee. And coffee contains caffeine. It helps with circulation, so it helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So I'm going to pour a small amount of the freshly brewed coffee in the bowl with the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to mix and I'm going to mix in. We're slowly mixing this into the gel. This is exactly how you need to do it for this recipe to be more gel-like consistency when we are done. So I use about a teaspoon of the coffee so far, and next I'm going to reach for another teaspoon. So this is going to make it 2 teaspoons of coffee. Adding this to the bowl with the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to continue to mix, and I'm mixing well. Mixing aloe vera and coffee together is going to create a very powerful anti-aging remedy that is going to help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, clear hyperpigmentation, and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for some vegetable glycerin. If you do not have vegetable glycerin, go ahead and use some vitamin E. And I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin, adding this to the bowl, and I'm going to mix and I'm going to mix well. So here in our bowl, we have aloe vera gel, we have vegetable glycerin, and we have coffee, and we are mixing well. Now once this is done, we are going to reach back for our fermented rice water, and we're going to start out by pouring about a tablespoon of the rice water in our mixture, and we are going to mix well. This have a gel-like consistency, and this is exactly how you need this to be. So continue to mix, and let's pour a little more in, and we are mixing. So mix and mix well. We are making an hydrating, wrinkle fighting remedy using coffee, aloe vera, and rice water. Now guys, take a look at this. This is how you want it to be. Now I want to add a little bit more aloe vera gel to the mixture, so I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon more of the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to mix this in, totally dissolving it into the mixture, and we are mixing well. If you have oily skin, and this is a great recipe for you since it is totally water-based. You can use this as a lotion for your face, you can use it as a serum, or you can use it as a moisturizer. If you have very dry skin, you can go ahead and you can add a teaspoon of your favorite oil. However, since this is more water-based, we do not want to add much of an oil to it. This is going to get the job done as is. So you're going to take a few drops of the mixture and you are going to apply it on the skin, preferably clean skin, and you are going to work it in a circular motion. This is good for the face, the neck, and décolleté, and this is great for all skin type. You can choose to use a moisturizer on top of it, especially these summer months, guys, when it's time is hot and you do not want to put anything too oily on the skin. This make a great moisturizer, non-greasy, and you can also store this in your refrigerator. Keep it cool, and whenever you're ready, you use it on the face, the neck, and décolleté. Make your skin look really glowing, and give it a chance. Work it on the skin daily, and you're on your way to wrinkle-free skin. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 to 10 days or so.
Whipping this out. And there you have it. Only 2 to 3 drops on your skin have to transform the skin. Whip this up. Go ahead and try it. And there you have it. Only 2 to 3 drops on the skin will have to transform the skin. Whip it up and use it on the skin. Massage it on the skin, the face, the neck, and the décolleté, and watch your skin tighten. Watch the firmness to the skin, and also don't forget to look out for that natural glow to the skin. Now don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.